Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Future AI. And in today's video, I am also going to share about these features that are actually about short movie. You can create short drama. You have to put here the description, use different fast model. And there are also using CDance 2.0 and many other. We are going to share each and everything about it. If you are new on the channel, Future AI, you can subscribe. Now let's get started with the WIZSTAR in full detail. Video description, so you can easily come here. Where you are going to put your prompt and then using AI model, you can get your next level video editing on it by providing video reference as well as video translation from one language to another. There is the lip sync, and you can also go far ahead to video generator using CDance 2.0 and image generation. So everything we are going to demonstrate in today's video, but first of all, you need to create your account. And for that, you can also register your account with your Google email, and you can also accept the terms and conditions. After coming into this platform, you can also upgrade your account. And there are different plans. According to your suitability, you can get the number of credit. Once you have done, then you can also come. First of all, we are going to explore here how to create image. And then you can also check it successfully. Here is image, main image as you can give as a reference. Or you can also explain or describe what type of image you want to create. Like here, I am going to paste the prompt here. I have right, and now I am also going to using it to create the picture. And what AI model, and there are also a selection like I need 16:9 in a 4K resolution, and images for reference I need 3 images. As you have done all these settings, you are going to click on this option that is to generate. And after that, you will also get your task is being successfully processed. And here are also the final result. Output is here. You can easily check out how it looks like. And you can also check, this is also the impressive thing that we have found here. And there are 3 results. Now I am going to using first one, and we will also use into video. So here is also the generate video. And there is also the ratio 16:9, and I need 15 second long in 4K resolution, and output I need 2. And here I'm going to write the prompt to create such an ad type video. Actually, you can also use here different model. AI model I am going to use in CDance 2.0, and we can create for 15-second long video too. So I am going to creating 15-second long video. So in this way, I am going to write here the number of prompt. If you have a lot of text, you can easily manage it. And after that, we are going to create our video. Once task is being processed, and after the final result, you will also get impressive. Now both video are ready, and you can check out on the screen. Time is more than moments. It's a statement. And next, I am going to create another type of video. And for that, first of all, I will come here in the image generation. And here, you can also product display if you want, or image generation. For that, you can put the prompt. And after that, you can select here the ratio. I need 16:9 in 4K resolution, and I need 3 versions of images. And now I am going to click on the generate option. Now pictures are ready. You can easily check out. These are the amazing results we have got. And you can also check out different scenario. And now I am going to generating into video. So here I am going to explain. And we are going to using again CDance 2.0, so we can create long video and 16:9 ratio, and here number of output I need to. And after that, I am going to click on the generate, and our task is already in process. Once it will be done, I will show you final output. Now I am going to show you final output, how it looks like, and how the category are also being done. You can check out in different ways wise. Find me in another life. You have seen impressive content. Now you can also check how this lip sync feature actually working. We are going to share about it. If you want to lip sync, then you have two options. You can upload your own video or you can even create with AI. I am going to creating AI like podcast or in sassy type video. For that, I am also going to give here image. So first of all, we have to create the image using different model. Like we can also create picture too. So here, once you have given the prompt using CDS 2.0 or many other, we are going to choose here the skills and the related details, number of output, and after all this data that we are going to creating here, we can click on the generate option. You can check out both results are ready. If you want to come here and you need lip sync, then here you can easily upload your video. Then you have to upload the audio and then you can generate. But if you come here in this section that you want to create such a content for you, then here are video translation from one language into another. Suppose if you have English related content, you want to change them into Hindi, that is also possible. After that, you can also come here on this box. You have to upload your video. The current what is your video that you are going to change in different languages. And here next you can also check out about product to video that I have already explained it to you. In this way, you can easily start your new epic journey. If you have any question or query related to this project, you can upgrade your account, and thanks for watching.